Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zoom app audio and video not working on iPhone. If you are trying hearing anyone or they can't hear you, the first thing to check is the Zoom permission. Go to your app setting or your iPhone settings, scroll down and open Zoom and make sure microphone are turned on. After that, open Zoom and tap join audio. Here you can check volume button on the side of your phone and make sure the phone is not silent mode. If others still can't hear you, tap the screen during the meeting and make sure the microphone is not muted. If your camera is not working, go to the settings, open Zoom and turn on camera on. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.